Chota Brown. Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I'm Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today we will be discussing about what to eat in summer to keep your body cool. So ऐसी क्या चीजें हम खा सकते हैं जिससे हमारा शरीर cool रहेगा? A very interesting session, guys. So stay tuned, keep watching Goki. And if you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask me. Girish is here. Girish, thank you so much for tuning in. तो गाइज ये क्विज शुरू होने के पहले ये सेशन शुरू होने के पहले हम क्विज खेलेंगे. ये क्विज में जो है हमको हमारा नॉलेज बढ़ेगा. एट द सेम टाइम ये क्विज में जो है आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं अपने पॉइंट्स, जिससे बनेगा फेस मास्क हमारे फ्रंट लाइनर्स के लिए. सो ये गाइज ये क्विज खेलना जरूर भूलेगा नहीं. एंड गेट योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली ऑल्सो टू प्ले द क्विज. Palav Ghosh, we will be having 5 questions. Ram Sonarji, Jai Hind, Avnish Kumarji, hi, Prasad RV. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. So, guys, ये क्विज खेलना है. साथ साथ हमको क्वारंटीन होम वर्कआउट वाला चैलेंज भी लेना है. दिस होम वर्कआउट चैलेंज इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट चैलेंजेस हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन, जहां पर आप वर्कआउट करके पॉइंट्स जीत सकते हैं. और ये पॉइंट्स जो है आप रिडीम कर सकते हैं. 30 पॉइंट्स अगर आपने स्कोर किए तो आपको मिलेगा गोकी की तरफ से मर्चेंडाइज, एंड टॉप 100 के प्लेयर्स को मिलेगा गोकी कैश. थैंक यू सो मच पालव घोष, थैंक यू सो मच. अर्चना सुमानी, गुड इवनिंग. प्रवीण कुमार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. सो दिस ग्लो कैन हैपन. आपका भी स्किन जो है ग्लो करेगा अगर आपने अपने शरीर का ख्याल रखा. इफ यू हाइड्रेट योर सेल्फ, इफ यू कीप ईटिंग हेल्दी, योर स्किन विल ऑल्सो ग्लो. एंड टुडे इज द टॉपिक वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट फूड दैट यू कैन ईट इन समर. Now this summer cool food will keep your skin nice, hydrated and glowing. Also, we all want to glow, right? So this list of food that I'm going to be giving you is definitely going to help you to get that beautiful skin you've been looking for. Praveen Kumar ji, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, बस अब कुछ ही मिनटों में ये क्विज स्टार्ट होगा, तो क्विज खेलिए और उसके बाद जल्दी से आइए वापस और हम आज के टॉपिक पर चर्चा करेंगे. अर्जुन मुगुटराव जी, अनुराग मनसिंघा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. Okay, so summer आ गया है. We are at home and we should make the most of it. The best thing to do is to keep yourself hydrated. So while you're watching me, please keep a bottle of water, keep drinking water and keep walking. So you can play the quiz, and then as soon as the quiz is over, because you need to concentrate, so you have to stand, you have to sit, okay? After the quiz is over, please keep moving, okay? Activity is very important. You cannot be sitting for more than 30 minutes in one place. Please get up every 30 minutes. Make sure that you're moving around, taking a walk in your house, and then you're sitting. So that's how your blood circulation can keep happening, and you will feel energetic. Sitting in one place will make you feel tired, will make you feel lethargic, and this movement will really improve your energy level. So do that, guys. संदीप शिंदे जी, गुड इवनिंग. कशिश शाह, हाय. राउत संजय, हेलो. राम बाबू माधव रपू जी, थैंक यू. चिन्नी नागेश, अनुभव वर्मा, हेलो. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. बस अब कुछ ही सेकंड्स बचे हैं. डॉक्टर आशुतोष जी, नमस्ते. अर्जुन मुगुटराव जी, नमस्ते. Guys, try to play this quiz because it's for a good cause. Absolutely. Thank you, Suraj, for those beautiful words. Play the quiz. It is for very good cause. Jyotsna is here. Hi, Jyotsna. So good to see you. Hi, Muhammad Azruddin. Deepak Avasthi is also here. Hi, Deepak. Namaste. Thank you for tuning in to the guys. Quiz is starting. 1, 2, 3, and all the best. So guys, the quiz is over, and let me know what's your score, and then we shall start discussing today's topic on what to eat in summer to keep your body cool. Nagrachi, Rinachi, namaste. Leilachi, namaste. Thank you for tuning in. Nikhil Kanojia, namaste. Very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you. And I see 1500 people watching me live, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that you guys have all played the quiz, because this quiz is for a good cause. So please play the quiz, encourage your friends and family also to play the quiz and participate in this. You can donate. This is for a good cause, and please participate in this quiz regularly. Alright. So meanwhile, you guys are sending me the scores. We'll start discussing today's topic. Now, what to eat in summer to keep your body cool. गर्मी बढ़ गई है. We can feel it. Okay, घर पर बैठे बैठे भी हमको जो है गर्मी महसूस हो रही है. So first of all, keep your feet cold. Okay, आपके पैरों को ठंडा रखना है. मतलब so that excess heat comes out of your body. That's what I do. Is in this heat, the way to keep your body cool is to soak your feet in water. Take a bucket of water, soak your feet in water. That will help you. That will, you'll feel that heat is coming out of your feet, and it will really make you feel good. So do this 2 times in a day. Okay, सुबह आप कर सकते हो. You can do it in the afternoon when you feel it's too hot, or you can do once in the afternoon when you feel it's too hot, once in the night. Twice a day you can practice this. This will really make you feel good. So this is one natural technique of feeling cooler and feeling better. Also, if you keep having water, you will stay hydrated and cool. Okay, ठंडा पानी नहीं पीना है. Room temperature पानी पीते रहे. That will also cool you down. Use ice cube on your skin. Green tea से बनाइए ice cube. So make green tea, cool it down. Put that water in the tray. Tray में आप डाल दीजिए वो ग्रीन टी वाला पानी डाल दीजिए. उसकी आइस क्यूब बना लीजिए. या तो आप जैसे वाटरमेलन, आप जैसे कि कलिंगर खा रहे हो तो कलिंगर खा लीजिए. कलिंगर वाटरमेलन इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर कूलिंग योर बॉडी. सो एज अ स्नैक हैव 1 bowl of watermelon. तो वाटरमेलन खाइए और वो वाटरमेलन का क्यूब बना लीजिए, आइस क्यूब बना लीजिए, एंड you rub that on your face and you will feel that okay, skin is becoming nicer and cooler. तो बहुत ही अच्छा है स्किन के लिए. पोर्स ओपन हो जाते हैं हीट की वजह से, स्किन में तकलीफ होती है. This is a very good way to cool down your skin. And Gurmeet ji saying no heat in Amritsar. That's great. Amritsar, there is no heat. Wonderful. But over here in Mumbai, there's a lot of heat. And in a lot of other cities also there's a lot of heat. So yeah, we need to start prepping up for the excruciating heat which is on its way. Already it's so hot, and May is going to be very very hot. So we have to prepare. Yes, rose water also helps. So you can also put rose water. Rose water का भी ice cube बना सकते हैं. You can put it on your skin. रोज वाटर से भी आप एक स्प्रे बॉटल बना सकते हैं. you can, अगर आपके पास कोई empty spray bottle है, you can put rose water in that and you can spray that rose water on your face. will help you. Now this is all external thing. Now what you put in your body will make you feel great. Okay, so I'm going to give you a list of food also. Praveen Kumar ji 50, Sanjeev ji, Ajit Shahi 50, Deepak got 50. This is so cool. This is amazing. Palav Ghosh also 50, Suraj Tiwari ji 50. Thank you everyone for sharing your code. Vathi coming. What is that, Vathi? Last one was wrong. 30 points. Not bad, Pradeep. Not bad. This is good. Do you use something on skin? Yes, I do. I have a lot of lemons. Okay, lemons जो है मैं लेती हूँ regularly. Vitamin C rich fruits. Mangoes are my favorite. Okay. So mangoes भी जो है मैं regularly लेती हूँ, which is good for your skin, good for your gut. Okay. So mangoes लेती हूँ, खाती भी हूँ, और vitamin C lemon juice पीती हूँ और चेहरे पर लगाती भी हूँ. So yes, lemon is very very good for your skin. And what you can do is you can put lemon juice, okay, with little honey on your skin and leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. Wash it off. That will also help you to get that glow that you're looking for. So yes, all these things you can put on your skin, but keep hydrating yourself. Keep having sabja water with lemon juice. Have mangoes. Have the fruit, seasonal fruit. Have coconut water. Have green juice. All these things will keep you hydrated and will keep your skin also moisturized and hydrated. What about gulkand? My grandmother asked me to eat it. She is absolutely right. Gulkand जो है बहुत ही cooling है, Kashish ji. You can have gulkand and sugar. Okay, is a great combination to cool down your body. So you can have a teaspoon of gulkand. It can have, you can have it as a dessert. Okay, आपने खाना खा लिया, थोड़ी देर के बाद कुछ मीठा खाने का मन कर रहा है. You can have a teaspoon of gulkand. Now, if you have too much of gulkand, then it's bad for your body. But a teaspoon of gulkand is definitely not doing any wrong to you. So you need gulab ke फूल, you need rose petals to make gulkand. Okay, तो वो gulkand आप घर पर भी बना सकते हैं. But now because of quarantine, आसानी से आपको rose petals नहीं मिलेंगे. So you can pick up the one which is available. Organic वाला अच्छा quality का gulkand मिल रहा है, तो आप वो भी use कर सकते हैं. Odisha, here in Odisha, it's already 40 degrees. Oh my God, that's crazy. That's really bad. Janvi ji, good evening. Namaste. No heat in Bhagalpur, Bihar. Wow, यार कहीं कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. Karan Gangwani, what did you told regarding green tea ice? Yes, green tea ice. Please try that. You can make green tea. Green tea बना लीजिए. स्ट्रेन कर लीजिए ग्रीन टी को, या तो फिर यूजिंग द डिपी वंस यू कैन यूज दैट. उसको ठंडा होने दीजिए. देन टेक योर आइस क्यूब वाला ट्रे. टेक दैट ट्रे. ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग वाटर इन दैट ट्रे, यू पुट दिस ग्रीन टी इन दैट ट्रे एंड यूज दैट एज अ टोनर फॉर योर स्किन. सो इससे भी जो है आपकी स्किन को एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स मिलेंगे एंड योर स्किन विल कूल डाउन ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन ट्राई फॉर योर स्किन. Try it and let me know. Kashish Shah, how to use rose water? You can put rose water, lemon juice and honey and apply it on your skin, or you can you can take few drops of rose water and put it on your face. You can even clean your eyes with rose water. It's very very good for your eyes. You can also use kacha doodh. Okay, you can use raw milk to clean your eyes and apply on your face for cooling and for moisturizing. Sanjeev is saying, what is the use of lemon in these days? Lemon is extremely important. Lemon is, I would say, one of the best immunity boosting food which you should have if you want to keep your immunity good. If you want to keep fit, you need to have lemon. नींबू पानी बनाकर पीजिए, या नींबू के स्लाइसेस जो है मग में आप अपने जार में डालकर रखिए. उसमें पानी और पिंक सॉल्ट और सब्जा डालकर रखिए. दैट यू कैन कीप हैविंग. इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन. इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर कूलिंग योर बॉडी. लेमन इज अमेजिंग. Karan is saying, for male, how to lighten up your face if your skin is too dark and dark marks in your hands due to sun UV rays. Okay, तो आपके लिए एक बढ़िया सा फेस पैक मैं बता रही हूँ which you can try. So you can take little दही. Okay, आप दही ले लीजिए, अच्छे क्वालिटी का दही लीजिए. दही में डालिए थोड़ा सा लेमन जूस. ओके, और उसमें डालिए हनी, और उसमें डालिए कच्चे आलू का जूस. ओके, या तो पेस्ट भी डाल सकते हैं. मिक्स ऑल ऑफ दिस दही, curd, lemon juice, honey and raw potato. Okay, and pinch, yes, I forgot, a pinch of haldi. Mix everything well and apply it on your hands or wherever there are dark spots. Apply it on your face. Okay, leave your eyes. आपकी आंखों को छोड़ के पूरे फेस पर लगा लीजिए. आंखों पर जो है आप बनाना खा के जो उसका पील है वो ले लीजिए और आंखों के आसपास पोटैटो का पेस्ट जो आपने बनाया है अपने फेस पैक के लिए, पोटैटो का पेस्ट लगा लीजिए आंखों पर. उसके ऊपर आप जैसे हम क्यूकम्बर स्लाइस रखते हैं वैसे यू कैन पुट बनाना पील. इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर लाइटनिंग द एरिया विच इज अराउंड योर आईज. अगर आपको डार्क सर्कल्स है तो उसको लाइटन करेगा. And this mask, face mask, which I've shared, not only for males but females can also use it. It's great for lightening your skin and cooling your skin and brightening your skin. So try it. Thank you, Sambodhi. Thank you so much. Very sweet of you. Really, really sweet. Thank you so much, Sambodhi. Lemon henna sometimes troubles tooth cavities. I used to have it with pipe. Yes, that's what you can do. You can have it with a straw, you can have it with a pipe, you can it makes your tooth sensitive. So yes, that's how you can have it. Yeah, and you can squeeze some lemon juice on your food and eat it so that it doesn't affect your teeth enamel. So every time you have lemon, please do not forget to rinse your mouth well with water. Please rinse your mouth after you have lemon. Instead of butter, what can we use in pizza? You use ghee. थोड़ा सा घी यूज कर लीजिए पिज्जा में. अपनी वेजिटेबल्स अगर आप स्टर फ्राई कर रहे हो तो आप थोड़ा सा घी यूज कर लीजिए. घर का बना हुआ मक्खन. ओके, इफ यू आर मेकिंग मक्खन एट होम, प्लीज यूज द घर का बना हुआ मक्खन. डोंट यूज द प्रोसेस बटर दैट यू गेट. I have body ache with lemon and other citrus fruits. Please guide. Okay, a lot of people they get body ache. They cannot digest citrus fruits. What you can do is when you have any citrus fruit, please put a pinch of black pepper powder. Put a pinch of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder, black pepper powder से आपको फर्क पड़ेगा. And don't eat too much. Okay, in a day just have one. Okay, थोड़ा सा ही ले लीजिए. जैसे कि आप पाइनएप्पल ले रहे हो. So if you're having pineapple, put cinnamon powder, put black pepper powder. You can even put pinch of kala namak, black salt, and then have it. Have about 2 to 3 slices. Don't eat too much. Okay, make your body immune to this. Okay, धीरे धीरे आप खाइए. इकट्ठा आप खा लो कि बहुत सारा तो आपको दर्द होगा, तकलीफ होगी. So don't do that. Johnny G saying I tried the egg hair pack, it was superb. Is it? That's amazing, guys. So देखिए इन्होंने एग का हेयर पैक ट्राई किया और उनको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो that's amazing. I tried your banana hair mask. It was great. Archana is saying I use cucumber juice and honey on my face. It's very refreshing too. That's great. I am so happy to know. So guys, ऐसे ही आप सारे फेस पैक और फेस मास्क ट्राई करते रहे and it is definitely going to help you. तो banana hair mask is also good. This cucumber and honey is also very refreshing and very good for your skin. Is there any natural way of coloring your hair? Okay guys, first I used to do it the natural way. Now what I do is, because I love coloring my hair, so I don't do it too frequently. I do it on my birthdays. Birthday पे मैं करती हूँ, या तो I do it once in 6 months. Okay, once in 6 months I do it. And then I'm ensure that I'm using good quality products, so that I use the shampoo which is for color protection, जो मेरे बालों को harm ना करे. But yes, naturally if you want to color your hair, you can use henna. Okay, मेहंदी जो आती है आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. You can put beetroot in that. You can put hibiscus flowers in that. You can put amla in that. You can put मेथी in that, जिससे आपके बाल naturally color हो गए और moisturize condition भी हो जाएंगे. So you can try that. Annie, you can use the natural henna hair color. Okay, जो मेहंदी जिससे हम लगाते हैं वो बालों के लिए भी आती है. It comes for your hair also. You take that. You put you put coconut oil in that. You don't put you don't make it too hard, otherwise it will pull your hair and you can suffer from hair fall. So you put a tablespoon of coconut oil in that. You can put egg also in that, guys. Then you can put egg, you put coconut oil, you put hibiscus flower, you put little bit of beetroot juice and amla powder and put it on your head. It's very good for your hair. Somebody is saying today you're looking so fresh and looking like a college going girl. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm a college going girl only, Somebody. How sweet of you. Thank you. Balbir Singh ji saying, is guava leaves too beneficial in any way? See guys, all leaves are beneficial. Papaya leaves, guava leaves, moringa leaves, all these leaves are loaded with nutrients. So yes, guava leaves are also good. They use guava leaves as दांत के चूरन के लिए, दांत को ब्रश करने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So you dry guava leaves, you powder it and you can use that as a tooth cleanser. Can we make butter at home? Yes, you can make butter at home. इसके लिए जो है वो दही को जो है वो उसको ऐसे मिक्स करते हैं और फिर उस पर जो आता है, your grandmother would know it, my mother makes it sometimes, but you know we most of the time we avoid having dairy. बहुत ही कम बनता है. कभी ऐसा कुछ हमें बनाना होता है special, then we make it. Dr. Pramod Pal is saying hello to everyone. Hello Dr. Pramod, thank you for tuning in. So guys, what do we eat in summer? We eat watermelon in summer. We eat all the seasonal fruits to cool down our body. We avoid eating heavy proteins, okay? Because summer में digestion वैसे ही हमारा slow होता है, तो heavy protein जो है हम avoid करें. जैसे है रात के time पे, especially in the night, we avoid having heavy proteins like rajma, like chole, like chana, like chicken, like meat, like all these things. You avoid having it in the night. You can have it in the daytime, okay, but don't have so much of this in the night. Don't have spicy food also, because that will make you feel more thirsty, that will make you feel more dehydrated, okay. So put less spices in your food and have everything which is easy to digest, okay. You can have different types of dals, legumes, pulses. All of that is good. But say you feel like having non-veg, or you want to have all these heavy dals, you can have it 2 to 3 times in a day and not more than that. So 2 से 3 बार ही जो है आप वीक में खाइए. बाकी के दिन जो है लाइट खाइए. मूंग is very light to digest. तुअर दाल is very light to digest. Urad dal is little difficult to digest, so you avoid eating urad dal. Okay, even rajma, chana is difficult to digest. Okay, so you don't have this every day. Once or twice a week is fine. And saaf, okay, fennel seeds and jeera is very cooling. So इसका जो है आप पानी बना लीजिए. Okay, so you take saaf and fennel seed. Saaf is fennel seeds, jeera is cumin seeds. You take 1 tablespoon of saaf, you take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, okay. You take 2 glasses of water, boil this water, okay, and boil this to 1.5. 2 glass का 1.5 glass हो जाए तब तक boil करें. इसे ठंडा हो जाने दीजिए. इसमें थोड़ा सा हनी डाल दीजिए. Mix it well. एंड ये पानी आप पूरा दिन ओके पी सकते हैं. ओके, और यू कैन हैव लाइक अप्रोक्सीमेटली छोटे 2 कप बन जाएगा ये पानी. 2 ग्लास का 2 कप हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन हैव 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the night. It's very, very cooling for your body. People who have acidity issues, people who feel a lot of heat, okay, this is really, really good. So you can try this. Also, barley water is very good for cooling your body, okay. So barley water कैसे बनाएंगे? Barley is जौ जिसे हम कहते हैं, okay, pearl barley, or it's also called as जौ. इसको भी हम इसी तरीके से बनाएंगे. यू टेक 2 glasses of water, you put 1 tablespoon of जौ which is barley seeds, boil it, okay, इसको अच्छे से बॉईल करें. 2 glass का 1.5 glass हो जाए तब तक बॉईल करना है. then strain it and then you have this. इसको ठंडा करके cool it down, put little honey and have this water. This is very, very cooling for your system. You can also add coriander seeds, which is amazing for cooling your system. So coriander seeds and barley combination is very good for people who suffer from urine infections. Urine infection किसी को है, बहुत ही गर्मी लग रही है, they feel very hot, okay, urine बहुत dark yellow आ रही है. This will really help them to help them with all these urine infection and urine issues. So yes, आप ये कर सकते हैं. After breaking IF and post dinner, that's great. Girish, you're having jeera water. Jeera water is great. You can just choose jeera also. Jeera is so good जीरा आप ऐसे भी चू करके खा सकते हैं. It's very very good for acidity. It's very good for cooling your system. And जीरा के साथ you put like about 3 to 4 granules of sugar. It's not going to do any harm. थोड़ा सा sugar डाल के खाइए. It's very good for your acidity. Yes. Kamlesh ji saying, is it okay to take only fruit in dinner? Okay, so it depends on what time you have your dinner. You cannot be having your dinner at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock and have fruit. Okay, I would suggest that since it's summer, okay, you will not feel as hungry if you keep having water. You'll feel hydrated. भूख इतनी नहीं लगेगी because गर्मी का time है. So have early dinner. Okay, have light lunch. Okay, what we had for lunch is we had just dal and rice with achar and salad. That's it. That was our lunch. Okay, we didn't make sabzi today because today we were making something different. We are making a chicken today. So chicken की फ्रैंकी हम बना रहे घर पे. So we are going to have early dinner. Okay, so as soon as I'm done with the show, I'm going to be having my dinner. So it depends on what time you have your dinner. If you're having your dinner too late, fruit is not a good idea. Even any other food is not a good idea, especially in summer. Your digestion is extremely low, weak in summer. गर्मी की वजह से digestion जो है थोड़ा सा slow down होता है. At the same time, you know, by the time the sunset के बाद में भी जो है digestion slow down कर जाता है. Metabolism जो है, your body is just winding up, your body is just slowing down. So you must avoid eating anything you know, late after the sunset. Okay, so do that. So fruit you can keep it for say about 4 o'clock. You can have your fruit as a snack at 4 o'clock, and by 6:37 max you have your dinner. Watermelon, lemonade, sabja seeds, water, etc. for cooling the body. Yes, that's good for cooling the body. Yes, and you should avoid, Girish, you're giving a good point. You should avoid having your fruit with your meal. Meal के साथ fruit खाना हम avoid करें. So guys, I see only 2.42k hearts. Keep sending those beautiful hearts and keep liking my session and keep motivating me. So good to see you all on the show. 2,000 people watching me live, and I'm so happy to see you all watching me. Thank you everyone for tuning in. So guys, keep all these things in mind, and the best thing to do is just before your meal, just before your breakfast, just before your lunch, and just before your dinner. Okay, just 30 minutes before each meal, have at least two to tall glasses of water. एक से दो, if possible, have 2 glasses of water. That way you will remember also to have water, and then that way आप जो है ज़्यादा overeat नहीं करेंगे. Navneet Pratish saying, shall we take ready to eat soup in dinner? No, ready to eat soup is not good for your body. You can have regular soup, which is good for your body. So आप रेगुलर सूप ले सकते हैं, घर का बना हुआ सूप, टमेटो सूप, पालक सूप, दूधी सूप, मिक्स वेजिटेबल सूप, ड्रमस्टिक सूप. So many wonderful varieties of soup we have. You can try different soups, but no having ready to eat soup. The problem with ready to eat soup is it's loaded with sodium and it has a lot of preservatives, okay, which is not good for your body. It's going to bloat you up and you don't want to be bloated. See, मैंने बोला and Sambodhi ने यही सवाल किया. Such as something for bloating issues. Sit in Vajrasan after every meal. Okay, I hope you know how to do Vajrasan. If you don't know how to do Vajrasan, tell me, I'll demonstrate. So Vajrasan में बैठिए खाने के बाद. Don't forget to do that. वज्रासन में बैठना है खाने के बाद में, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू chew your food well. Okay, bloating इसीलिए होती है because we are not chewing our food well. So please chew your food well. Please switch off your television set. Please keep your phone away while you're eating your food, and stretch your meal for 20 minutes. 20 मिनट तक अपनी meal को stretch करें so that you are chewing on properly. You're chewing the food properly. If you chew the food properly, it will help you to digest it and you will not get bloated. And avoid bakery products, avoid aerated drinks, avoid having tea empty stomach in the morning, and keep yourself hydrated. Your bloating will come down. And have ajwain. Ajwain को सेक लीजिए. Okay, carom seeds and jeera both are good. In fact, soft also you can add. So carom seeds, jeera, soft, roast it in equal quantity, powder it, or you can just chew it well. Okay, just chew it well, and that will help you to with acidity and bloating issues. Yeah, so bloating sambodhi, try having jeera, ajwain and soft, all in equal quantity, and put like a pinch, very chota sa, not even I would say very few granules of black salt, और वो आप लीजिए twice in a day. You will feel good. So try it and let me know. Okay. You're most welcome, Sudesh Godwal ji. Nageshwaran ji, good evening. Balbir Singh, thank you so much. And shall we take ready to know? We had one more question. Why do we avoid fruit with meal? Okay, so every food has a different rate of absorption. Okay, जैसे कि आपने चाय पी, चाय को डाइजेस्ट होने के लिए अलग टाइम लगता है. ओके, इट टेक्स डिफरेंट टाइम. यू हैव लंच, लंच में आपने सब्जी रोटी खाया, चावल खाया, उसको डाइजेस्ट होने के लिए टाइम ज्यादा लगता है. बट फ्रूट इज समथिंग विच इज ईजी टू डाइजेस्ट. ओके, you digest a fruit within 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, fruit has natural sugar, fructose. Okay, so if you have a fruit along with the meal, okay, the fruit is going along with the meal, so the nutrition absorption of the fruit is not as effective as you have a fruit as a snack in the evening or empty stomach. तो उसका absorption अच्छा है, उसका फायदा आपको अच्छा मिलेगा. At the same time, okay, you avoid having anything sweet along with your meal. So if you are having fruit with your meal, you know you're not getting the benefit of the meal. At the same time, you are taking fructose along with the meal, which is not an ideal thing. So avoid that. What can we add instead of sugar in a cake to sweeten it? You can add jaggery. आप jaggery डाल सकते हो अपने केक में. You can even add गुड़, jaggery डाल सकते हो. You can add dates. Okay, dates डाल सकते हो, jaggery डाल सकते हो. That's a good sweetening option. Okay. Is it necessary to have something with the black coffee in morning as I have gastric issues? Black coffee, empty stomach in the morning is absolutely a no-no. So avoid having coffee or tea first thing in the morning. It's going to make you acidic. तो वो जो है आपको avoid करना है. So guys, that's it for today. समर में लाइट खाना खाइए, इजी टू डाइजेस्ट फूड खाइए, सॉफ्ट जीरा, ये सारी चीजें खा लीजिए. एंड अवॉइड हैविंग एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी. हैव सीजनल फ्रूट्स. ओके, आप आइस कैंडीज बना सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. कलिंगर की, मैंगो की आइस कैंडी बना लीजिए और कूलिंग के लिए आप वो खाइए. इट विल मेक यू फील गुड. सब्जा इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर कूलिंग योर बॉडी. हैव सब्जा वाटर. दिस वे यू कैन कीप योर बॉडी कूल. कैन यू एड हनी इन द केक? ओके, सो हनी का क्या होगा ना, आप बहुत उसको कुक करोगे. सो यू शुड अवॉइड कुकिंग हनी. यू कैन पुट हनी ऑन द टॉप बट डोंट cook honey. Okay, all right guys, have a wonderful time ahead. Stay happy, stay at home, be positive, keep smiling, and don't forget to see me tomorrow at 6:30. Do join the Goki quarantine home workout challenge and keep playing the quiz. Take very good care of yourself and be the force. Namaste. In curd rice, can I take jaggery? Absolutely, you can take jaggery. But one thing I want to tell you is milk and jaggery. Okay, jaggery has iron, milk has calcium. Calcium and jaggery is not a great combination. So yeah, if you like to have it, it's okay. But avoid. The absorption of iron will not happen if you mix it along with the curd. Okay. Namaste everyone. Have a wonderful time ahead.